Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add image to layer on Photopea website. So all you need to do first of all is just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browsers could be possibly working for you. So after you opened your browser, just go here to the URL section and type photopea.com and hit the enter button. So that will certainly take you into this page. So from here, of course, you can actually create a new project, open something from a computer, choose some of their PSD templates, or you can just drop your file here and start working on it. For me, I'm just going to click at new projects and choose one of their slides right here. Let me just choose a simple one, and we'll need to wait until it loads into the website. Anyway, I had a problem, so I had to change the I have to refresh the website and change the template. So anyway, when you actually choose the template, we will need to wait until it's loaded. So once it's loaded, you'll find your templates right here in the middle, and on the right here you will find every component on this template. So of course you can actually like delete the background, delete some of the text, move it if you want, or if you didn't like a change you made, all you need to do just go and hit Ctrl Z and everything will go back as it was. Of course that's where every Ctrl Z will go back one step behind. So of course if you want to add image to layer, all you need to do just go here to this gallery option and click on it. Then of course if you want to choose some of the keywords here, just let's say as an example like man, or let's say as an example, let's just write as an example tower and hit the enter button. So of course from here you would like to choose whatever image you want, and as you can see, let me just close this gallery and let's just remove, oh not this, let's just remove this background and those texts. And as you can see, now that is our image here on, and we add it on a layer. Of course we can like add a new layer by clicking not new folder, this new layer. And as you can see, of course, let's say as an example you didn't add this yet, you can actually like go and click at gallery and choose one of the pictures again. And as you can see now, let's just close this, you added that to your layer. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.